I think based on the chart-wise, I think this can be broken. Si Ethereum, if you're going to notice, itong kanyang channel na uptrend still intact, yung resistance niya paakyat din. So broadening wedge. Ito po kanya all-time high still remains as a resistant, but I think nagbi-build up ito. Tawag dyan is breakout build up. So even if you look at this, baba ko sa 4-hour time frame, even if you look at this, no, from this low to this low, higher low pa rin yung fino-form. Okay? Even sa 4-hour time frame. And itong trend line is very well respected. So what could possibly be the next move of Ethereum? Inuubos po ni Ethereum lahat ng mga naiinip, for me yan ang basa natin, na mga sellers dyan. Ubus niya. Sige, benta nyo lang ng ibenta. Eventually, pag ubus na to, most likely, the next big move will happen. So ito, ubusin to. Pwedeng dito pa, inipan talaga no? And then it will break. This will act as your resistance. Itong broadening wedge natin. This will act as your resistance. I don't know kung kailan niya tatamaan yung taas niyan, but it will be hit. Pag tumama na po dyan, resistance, pullback na naman tayo. So yan ang ginagawa ni Ethereum. Alright? So kaya yung tanong kanina dito sa live stream natin, so topic natin today, can Ethereum break its all-time high despite may selling ng Ethereum Foundation? I think based on the chart-wise, I think this can be broken.